Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this incubator which I have made. It is size is 2 feet by 2 feet and I have used these W1209 circuits uh, and I have used two of them because this one is going to control the highest limit and this is going to set the internal heating setting. It is controlling this one and this is controlling the heating inside of it. I already have shown you how to make it in my channel as well. If you want to check them, you can check it by yourself. And this is the X5J02 which I have used for the egg turner inside of it, because this is the automatic incubator I have made. This is the 40 egg capacity of automatic egg turning and 60 eggs for the hatching. So inside this tray I already have made the tutorial for this one in my channel already. If you want to see how to make this egg turner, you can go and check in my channel on the, you can search Max Workshop egg turner, or you might be getting the link upside or in the end. So you can see this is how it is working. I have set it about like 10 second working after 10 second, because I'm seeing it right now for the video. But you have to, if you wanted to make it, you have to make it after 2 hours for 10 second. That's enough for egg turning. You can see it is smooth egg turning right now. So on the upside you can see I have set 200-watt bulbs, and in the center there is a fan which is 0.40 ampere power, which is enough for both of the heating to be surrounded all over in the incubator. That's on the downside. We have this tray which is a hatching tray. After 18 days on this egg turner, the egg will be transferred onto this tray, and on this tray they will stay about like 3 days for about like 21 days. Then they will hatch over here, and after that we have these space for the water. We have to put the water over here, and we have to fill the water every after 2 or 3 days. So that's a very simple mechanism I already have shown you. If you want to make this incubator as well, it is also in my tutorial as well. If you want to see, you can search Max Workshop incubator, egg turner, cage, brooder, whatever you wanna search, which is in my channel. You can search on YouTube as well. So if you also want to see how I have set about these two circuits or this timer, you can search on my channel as well. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.